Hey, welcome to Zona Mechanica. There is an MCQ on bending of beams. Figure at the margin indicates the weightage of the question, that is 1 mark. The transverse shear stress acting in a beam of rectangular cross section subjected to a transverse shear load is. There are 4 options. Option A, variable with maximum at the bottom of the beam. Option B, variable with maximum at the top of the beam. Option C, uniform, that is uniform throughout the cross section. And option D, variable with maximum at the neutral axis. Well, we can get the answer if we can remember the shear stress variation in a beam. Suppose this is the cross section of the beam and this is the neutral axis. Okay, so how the variation graph looks like? Yeah, it looks like a parabolic shape, right? This is the maximum shear stress, tau max, which occurs at the neutral axis. So the option D is the correct answer. Variable, yeah, it varies from 0 at the top and 0 at the bottom, and maximum at the neutral axis. So variable with maximum at the neutral axis. So option D is the correct answer.